Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2016 Dodge Journey, and on this Dodge Journey we're going to go over how you replace the lights in the front headlights. So right here is a bolt that needs to be removed. And that's a size 7 bolt to be removed. This fender portion, I mean, it's completely removed, but you only need to remove the push pins on this side, and make sure you remove the push pin that's hanging here and a push pin down here, and then that will be all that needs to be removed from this side. We'll go to the other side, and so on this side we have our number 7 bolt to be removed up here. And with that bolt removed, then we will work our way removing these push pins around so that we can remove the bumper. Generally, the push pins, you pull the top out, but these are very much stuck in there. And then they'll come out easier, but see, like that. We've got one more little one here. Okay, so we've got all that done. Now we'll go down along the bottom and remove the ones that are down there. We're going to remove this as all one unit, so we want to remove a push pin here, here, and here. And once we undo those 3 push pins, it should be all that we need to do on the bottom. Okay, so with those 3 push pins that hold this bottom piece on, okay, so we have all the 3 push pins that are removed on the bottom that hold the bottom of the bumper on, and the ones in the fender well. And now we have push pins to remove on the top, and then we can pull the whole bumper off. And one thing we're going to want to note as we pull it away a little bit, we do want to unhook the electric that goes to the fog lights, and other than that, it should be good. So up here up top, we've got a push pin here, 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 and here, and then that should free everything up at the top, and then we'll be able to work our way around by removing the bumper. Okay, so we've got all the push pins that we need to remove. We should be able to just pull the edges away. That's what locks it in. We got a little clip here. Reach down and just undo the electrical for the fog lights, just by squeezing it. And we'll do the same thing over here. Just pull it, and you've got the little clips in here that hold on the bumper, and then we've got one right here. So once you pull, then you'll have your access to be able to reach down here, squeeze the clip for the fog light, and be able to remove that. And then when that's all done, the ambient temperature sensor. It's hooked on the bumper, so we just need to get that removed. And now we will be able to remove the whole bumper. So we've removed the bumper and the 3 bolts to hold this light housing in. That way we can pull this out, undo the electrics, and then be able to turn it around to replace the lights. This right here is the turn signal and parking light, so it will be on when you've got just your clearance lights, parking lights on. It's a double element bulb. This right here is your high beam. This right here is your low beam. And then we have right here on the side, this is your side marker light. So you'll remove these 3 bolts, and then you'll be able to lift up and pull this out, and then you can that gives you the space to undo the connectors. If you undo the top one, you'll be able to have full access to be able to just replace the light bulbs. And so we'll leave it like that, and then we'll go over that process. So with the top one undone, and the top one is your blinker light, we can now spin this, and we have ample space because this top one doesn't have as much going there. Then you'll be able to turn this a 1/4 turn to pull out the housing element, and then you'll grip the light bulb and pull it out of the housing, and that is the light bulb there itself. And this light bulb here is a 3757 of the natural amber, and we put in the natural amber color one because there isn't the amber color on the front of the housing. So then you'll take the bulb, a new one, and this has 2 elements.